What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Nvidia Corporation with the ticker symbol NVDA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. Here's a look at Nvidia on the daily chart. You can see that since last week, Tuesday, price tried to continue higher. It made a new all-time high at the 152.89 level, and then you can see that we have 4 consecutive red days in a row. So there's bearish momentum developing, and we just broke below that 139 level, which needed to be held as support. So overall, it looks like we could be seeing more downside take place, possibly even a break of this long-term trend line, this one right over here. Because look how the price is barely making a new high, right? The trend is looking kind of weak. The angle of attack by the bulls is kind of looking weak. So see how when price makes a high and then price breaks through that prior high, it does it strongly. Just like over here, price broke through this prior high, did it strongly. Price broke through this prior high, did it strongly. Look at this time. Price broke through this prior high, but barely can do it. So that shows signs of weakness by the bulls, and they're barely making higher highs, right? You can see they made a higher high right here, pulled back, barely can make another one, barely can make another one, and now it's rolling over. So I'm expecting a decent size sell-off to take place. It's a little too early to call because we're still above this bullish trend line, but that's what it looks like it's setting up to do. It did break this trend line right here, so that's invalidated. So it looks like if we break this big one right here, we're in for a decent size fall for Nvidia. So that's how the chart is. That's what the chart is telling me. That's what the technicals are telling me. So expect some volatility coming up because the market is ready for a correction. A lot of stocks are ready for a correction. So it looks like we're going to be seeing, this is the weekly chart. It looks like we're going to be seeing some sort of pullback take place. We don't know where yet. I mean, a good target would be the $94 level. That's strong support. So we could get all the way down there. Let me take a look at a measure move target. This is all one large leg right over here. And then price made the second leg up. So you can see that it came very close to that. There's still room to the upside. I'm looking for that 182 level. So again, it's not guaranteed we have topped and we're going to reverse back down quite a ways. I still think we can still continue pushing up higher, but the trend is not looking that good. Looks like we're probably going to see a break of it and then go into at least a medium-term correction, and then we can probably see the trend resume higher. But overall, it barely made a new high, and we're already selling off. That's not a good sign, and the next support is this trend line, which can be broken, and that can lead to a decent-sized correction, probably sub $100. So Nvidia not looking as bullish as of right now, but the long-term trend most likely will continue higher. Let's see if it can hang on to this trend line. If not, as long as the bearish momentum is not that strong, most likely we will see the trend resume higher. So all I have for Nvidia on the daily weekly charts this week Tuesday, and most likely I'll give you guys an update next week Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.